Welcome back, you guys. Safely removed the AC fan from the microwave. Now it's next the transformer and the other electronic components. But I want to say one thing. So when you're done, you see this, the Megatron. I mean the Magatron. Whatever you do not freaking take this apart. Don't be the dumbass who takes it, puts it in a box, or saves it for something, or takes the Magatron apart. Because the Magatron has some deadly chemicals inside that can give you and cause cancer within a minute and 23 seconds. And then you'll slowly be dying in a painful way. So do not be that jackass who gets that out of there, okay? Leave it. Leave it for professionals, okay? So even me, myself, I'm going to leave that too because I don't need it. But what I'm after is for that. Yeah, also this capacitor too stores a deadly charge, like I said earlier in part 1. We can take apart. There you go. Get this wire off. Or just broke it. Whatever. This high voltage diode could save that for something. Yep. I'm gonna get you a closer view. This is my setup, guys. I have this tripod I bought. Well, no, I didn't buy it. My parents bought it for me. Here you go. You can see everything. The Magnetron. High voltage microwave radiation. So this is what pretty much causes your waves to heat up your food. It's that Magnetron. Now I'm doing this for safety reasons, just in case something might be broken in that Magnetron. Don't want to breathe any of it in. Also get cancer. But like I said, this is what I'm after. This microwave transformer and that capacitor. Circuit board here. There's another transformer right there, that yellow. I'm gonna desolder that, my soldering station, and then I'll make an AM radio transmitter out of that for my independent project for school. And then also, I'll have to tell my teacher that I don't need a microwave anymore. He already got one. Okay, time to disconnect more wires with my handy pliers. That was easy. Come on. Get that out. Now, we're percent into high voltage, so that's why I want the transformer. I know I've said that like millions of times, I just want to say it again. Screwdriver now. It's hard holding this with one hand in gloves. Why don't I just try to set this down like this because it's a tripod. If you guys can't see anything, right, you guys can only see my shirt. Technical difficulties, guys. This is just looking at the Magnetron right now. crap. No, it's not gonna work. I need to find a different way to set up the phone camera. Guess I'll just keep it this way, how it was earlier. Okay, now I just have to zoom in the camera. Or, no. Actually, part 3. Sorry, guys. I'll have to watch part 3 next. Bye.